For my business, can I just get music on hold for my phones? Is there a way we can never miss a call, but not have to hire another employee? Those are the questions I've heard. Here's what you need to know. What is VoIP and how does it work? VoIP, or Voice over IP, is a technology that allows you to make phone calls over the internet. Hi, my name is Kendall Matthews, and I help new service businesses grow with technology and software services, because you just want the thing to do what it's supposed to do. Now, if you want access to show notes or find better phone systems for your business, then drop the word VoIP in the comment section below. Let's ramp up. What is VoIP and how does it work? It's a simple and old idea with a new spin, since all you need now is your voice and access to the internet. A virtual phone system is like a regular phone system, but it uses the internet instead of wires to make and receive calls. It's different from traditional business phone systems. You don't need to install any wires or cables, just connect your phone and you're done. Instead of landlines that people can call your office on, you can make calls through the internet. Therefore, you can set up a virtual phone system in your building with the hardware that you already have. Cloud phone systems provide businesses with an online account to manage and route calls rather than a physical server that connects to a phone. It's cheaper and easier for employees who work in different places to be able to make calls. Virtual phone numbers work like real phone numbers. They give people who call you a professional greeting and even music on hold. Once they're on the line, the greeting will ask them what they need help with and direct them to the best agent to handle their inquiry. It's possible for you to take phone calls on your desk, on your phone, on your computer, or any type of mobile device. Your customer won't know which one you're on and where you're taking the call from. And it gets even more efficient if you have AI and automation to handle 95% of all your calls. And my team and I can show you how to scale, but you have to connect with us first, since we're becoming the #1 resource for done-for-you automation and AI technology for service-based businesses and startups. Now, going back to virtual phone systems and VoIP, if you can't take the call and you have like a Google Voice, or you're just using your own personal cell phone plan, you can't transfer that easily to someone else. You don't even know if they're available to take that call. Now think about this. If you can't take the call and you're using your own personal cell phone for your business, you can't transfer that live to someone else. You can't do that with a Google Voice. If you don't immediately answer your phone, the virtual phone systems may transcribe the voicemails and then send you an email, and then you can read them whenever you have a free time. Or you can just forward those to other individuals inside of your business. Virtual phone systems are easy to set up and they're relatively low cost compared to traditional landline services. They allow that flexible phone numbers and toll-free local and international calls to be able to set those things up for you, especially for the international folks that I'm working with. You'll also have access to built-in analytics and be able to connect if you have a CRM like a Thrive, a Salesforce, or even Microsoft Teams to help you track your team's progress and sales. If you're paying too much for a wired business phone system, have personnel working remotely, or paying for lines that you don't use, there's a better way with the new AI and automation tools that you're just unaware of, which doesn't have to be the case anymore. My team and I analyze your current situation and find technology companies that can provide more efficient services, often at a much lower cost than the service you're using now. You just need to click the link in the description section to schedule a time to chat that works best for you. If this episode was helpful for you, like and share it in your online networking groups, because sharing is caring. Hit the like button if you agree.